Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share about something quite interesting in machine learning, that is artificial neural network by backpropagation method. Let's see clearly about what is artificial neural network and how it works by backpropagation method. Artificial neural network is a machine learning model inspired by the human brain. It consists of a input layer which receives input data, hidden layer which processes the data, output layer produces the final result. So each neuron is connected using weights and biases. Those neurons are connected like how neurons are connected in the human brain. Let's see about backpropagation method. Backpropagation is the training algorithm used to improve the network performance. So it is used to train neural network, and most important thing is the backpropagation method is worked by calculating. So let's see the working process of the artificial neural network. Input data is given to the network, that is initialize the neural network with input layer, one hidden layer and output layer. Randomly assign small values to weights and biases. After this, input the training data, that is provide the input data set and corresponding target output y for training. After this, forward propagation will be performed. Compute the hidden layer input, apply activation function, compute output layer input, apply sigmoid activation. Here the activation function will be the sigmoid function. After this, calculate the error, that is compute the difference between the actual output and predicted output. The formula is error equal to y minus a naught. After this, backward propagation will be performed. Compute the output layer delta. Delta equal to error into sigma of a naught, so that hidden error into sigma of ah equal to delta will be obtained. Update weights and biases. After this, update hidden output weights. After completing these steps, repeat the training until the fixed number of epochs or the error becomes minimum. After these things, use forward propagation to predict the output for new input data. Let's see an example for artificial neural network using backpropagation. First thing, we import NumPy to perform mathematical operations like matrix multiplication, random weight generation and array handling. After this, sigmoid function. Sigmoid function converts values between 0 and 1. It is used to introduce non-linearity and for binary classification. The sigmoid derivation is used during backpropagation to calculate how much the weight should change. After this, neural network class. We create a class to define the structure and working of the neural network. Initialization. Here we initialize the number of input neurons, number of hidden neurons, number of output neurons and learning rate. We also initialize input hidden weights, and for hidden weight, output weight, bias for hidden layer and bias for output layer. All weights are assigned random values between -1 and 1. This is the starting point of learning. After this, feed forward function. Def feed forward. In this step, input is multiplied with input to hidden weights. Bias is added. Sigmoid activation is applied to hidden layer output. After this, bias is added. Sigmoid activation function gives final output. This gives the predicted output. After this, backpropagation will be performed. This is the main learning step. In this step, first thing, to calculate the error, that is actual output minus predicted output. Calculate the output delta, that is how much output layer should change. After this, find hidden layer error, that is how much hidden layer caused the error. After this, update the weights of hidden layer, output layer and input layer, and finally bias values. This is done using the learning rate. After this, um, we repeat the steps, that is feed forward and back propagation for 10,000 iterations. Every 1000 iterations, loss is printed. Here, loss equal to mean square error. In the output, loss keeps decreasing, which means the network is learning correctly. After this, coming to the part of prediction. In this, after training, this function is used to predict the output for given inputs. After this, assign the input values and output labels. X equal to input values and y equal to output layers. The output layer should be 0 or 1 because this is a binary classification problem. After training, we print final weight. We compare expected output and predicted output. So the result will be for class 0, output close to 0. For class 1, output close to 1. So the network is successfully trained. So this is all about artificial neural network. Thank you.